Welcome to this informative video where I will be exploring a clever solution for resolving a frozen PC screen. We have all experienced the frustration of a frozen screen, disrupting our workflow and leaving us wondering what to do. But fear not. Today, I will dive into the depths of this common issue, understanding why screen freezes occur and uncovering the potential disadvantages they bring. Join me as I uncover the secrets. A frozen PC screen can be the result of various factors, making it crucial to grasp the root causes before attempting any fixes. I've encountered screen freezes due to software conflicts when running multiple programs concurrently, leading to clashes between applications and causing my system to seize up. Furthermore, insufficient system resources, such as inadequate RAM or processing power, can strain our computers and result in a frozen screen when overloaded. I've personally experienced this while working on resource-intensive tasks, and it can be quite frustrating. Moreover, hardware issues have also played their part in freezing my screen. A failing hard drive or an overheating CPU can be serious culprits behind the screen freeze. I've learned that maintaining proper hardware health is essential for smooth system operation. Additionally, using outdated or incompatible device drivers can destabilize your system and cause it to freeze unexpectedly. It's crucial to keep drivers up to date to avoid such issues. The invasion of malware and viruses is another concern. These malicious entities can disrupt the system's normal functioning and lead to frequent freezes. I've had my fair share of encounters with malware, and it's never a pleasant experience. But now, enter the Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B shortcut. Designed by Windows to tackle graphics driver issues, this nifty keyboard combination attempts to reset the graphics driver when pressed. Consequently, your screen may flicker briefly as it restarts the graphics driver in an effort to recover from the freeze. However, while this shortcut can offer a quick remedy for screen freezes caused by the graphics driver, it comes with its share of disadvantages. For one, it might not address the root cause if the issue lies deeper than the graphics driver. Therefore, further investigation is essential if the problem persists. Additionally, using the shortcut could result in data loss, especially when dealing with unsaved work. It's crucial to save your progress regularly to avoid such setbacks. Furthermore, relying solely on this shortcut may mask potential underlying system instability that requires thorough troubleshooting. I've experienced situations where the shortcut seemed to work initially, but the freezes returned because the underlying cause was not addressed properly. To sum it up, the Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B shortcut is a powerful tool in your arsenal to combat a frozen PC screen caused by graphics driver issues. Its quick execution can provide relief in some instances, but it's vital to understand its limitations. Treating the symptoms doesn't always resolve the underlying problem, so it's imperative to investigate further if the screen freezes persist. Remember, data loss is a possibility, so saving your work regularly is paramount. As we venture forth in the realm of frozen screens, keep in mind that true stability comes from addressing the root cause of the problem. Armed with this knowledge and the Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B shortcut, you'll be better equipped to conquer any frozen screen encounters. So, without further ado, let's put this shortcut to the test and watch those frozen screens melt away. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or other tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. And remember, computing doesn't have to be daunting. Armed with knowledge, we can tackle any challenges that come our way. Until next time, may your screens remain smooth and your computing experience flawless.